Hello wonderful people, and welcome back to day 7 of this 21 days challenge for abundance from Deepak Chopra. This has been a quite interesting journey so far. So I'm 1/3 into it, and there are parts that I really enjoyed and parts that I didn't quite enjoy. So today is a quick recap followed by the exercise and the meditation that I've been doing daily. I have to say that this challenge has been quite interesting. I am really enjoying the meditation sessions. I think they're extremely interesting, and they really make you reflect on things. And the voice of Deepak Chopra is amazing. He can really translate his thoughts into words, and he can really make you feel his intentions. And the exercises, I'm not connected too much with exercises. I've been trying, but to me it's been pretty hard. I enjoyed the first 2 exercises and not so much the last 4. So today, I hope it's gonna be better. In these 21 days, I'm simply going to tell you the exercises and the meditation, and I am going to share with you guys how I feel and if anything changes or doesn't change. Today is day 7. Let's get right into it. For today's exercise, we have to write on a piece of paper a list of people that take energy from us. They can be people that are around us or people that just take energy out of us. I think this is gonna be pretty hard for me because I did have quite a few people that sucked energy out of me, but I got rid of them. So as for right now, I don't really have that many names I can think of. In fact, only a couple of names come to my mind, and I'm gonna write their name down on this list right now. I'm really trying to think, but really there's no one else I can picture right now. There's really no one else in my life that takes energy out of me. Actually, I'm very happy in this time of my life. I'm very happy with the people that are around me. I find that they're all contributing to my growth somehow, and none of them is really taking any energy out of me. And I just realized that actually. So this exercise already, more than all the other exercises, made me understand that I may be on the right path somehow. I hope so. I really hope so. So there are only 3 names in this list, which obviously I'm not gonna say. I'm happy my list is not that long, so that's a good thing. Now it's time for today's meditation, so headphones on. The link, as usual, is going to be posted down below here in the description box. I use my conscious intention to manifest my dreams. That was the centering thought of the day, and really I think that's beautiful. It really means putting awareness into your intention and not simply hope for the best. And the meditation of today was interesting. The mantra was the same that we used a couple of times already, and it's Sat Chit Ananda. So existing consciousness, bliss. And Today was interesting because Deepak Chopra explained the difference, or at least asked us, what is luck? Does luck really exist? Or is that the result of something else? And sometimes in life we observe people that are extremely lucky and apparently for no reason, but somehow it seems like they're lucky or luckier than other people. And I believe luck is really the result of many different conscious and subconscious intentions, and the result of it, the outcome of those intentions, is what we call luck. But it's not really, it's just the outcome of our thoughts and our intentions that combine together create the opportunities that we get in life. And observing people from the outside, I can really see how certain people are extremely negative, or they have a very pessimistic point of view on every single thing in life. And guess what? They don't get so lucky. They're not so lucky because all these thoughts create the opportunities for them to be even more negative. I think this was a very interesting meditation. My mind was calm, and I think the fact that the mantra was a mantra that we already studied before helped, because you're more familiar with it and you get to reflect on it in different days of the week, and you may be in a completely different energetic state at that point. So it's interesting to see how the same mantra encloses meanings that are not the same throughout the entire week or throughout all the meditations. So I'm very happy and pleased with today's exercise and meditation. Hopefully it's gonna keep going like this. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if so, join me in this 21 days challenge for abundance, and let's see where this is gonna take us. We can share our thoughts and opinion in the comments down below, and I'm very, very curious to see if any of you could make it throughout the whole 21 days. I still don't know if I can make it, but I'm gonna do my best because I really want to share with you, and I'll see you all tomorrow.